Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So again we all are here for learning science. So as you know, I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School and we learning science. So today we start our new lesson number 6, food and shelter of animals, and our today's topic is food that animal eat. So till now we learn about food we get from plant, we learn about animals, we learn about different types of things, and today we learn something new about animals. So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line, that you must tell yourself, no matter how hard it is or how hard it gets, I am going to make it. So you have to do your hard work on your goal. So no matter it is hard or it is easy, or you have to make it. So you must tell to yourself and improve your self-confidence. So let's start our today's lecture. So today we start our new lesson. So till now we learn 5 lessons about living things, non-living things, natural things, man-made things, our surroundings. Then we learn about plants, we learn about food we get from plant, and we learn about animals. So in lesson number 5 we learn about different types of animal, right? So today when we start lesson number 6, this lesson number 6 is also about animals. Now in lesson number 5 we learn about animals, that which type of animals in this world. So we identify the different kind of animals. So this we continue in lesson number 6. So what is the lesson number 6? That food and shelter of animals. So it means we learn more about animals in this lesson. When we start lesson number 5, we know the different types of animals only. But when we learn lesson number 5, we learn that different types of animals live on different places. So in lesson number 6, we continue that which food animals live in which place and different kind of things about animals. So let's start our lesson number 6, food and shelter of animals. So before we start our lesson number 6, first we revise lesson number 5, because this lesson is also about animals. So we have to revise what we learn in lesson number 5. So in lesson number 5 we learn about different kind of animals. You can see here insects and birds and many other things, big animals, small animals, and dangerous animals also you can see here. So what we learn in lesson number 5? The world of animals. So let's revise first what we learn. That we learn in this lesson about different types of animals. So we learn about birds, insects, small animals, big animals, and animals live in water. So we learn in this lesson about so many types of animals. We divide it, we identify it, and we learn that how they are living in this world. So first we learn about birds, that we learn that birds are animals with wings. So here you can see the picture of birds, that they have 2 legs, two wings and one beak for it. They have no teeth. So what are birds? That birds are the animals with wings, two legs and beak. Some birds cannot fly. Some birds like penguin and ostrich cannot fly. They have wings, they have two legs, but they cannot fly. So all these things we learn in lesson number. We also learn that birds have no teeth, they eat with the beak. So before we learn about birds, we only know that birds have wings to fly. But when we learn lesson number 5, we learn that some birds live on ice like penguin and other. Then we learn about insects, which are very small animals and they have wings to fly. Some insects have 6 legs, some have 8 legs like spider, and some have wings to fly like butterfly. Some have so many legs like caterpillar. So these all things we learn in lesson number 5, that insects like butterfly, flies, cockroaches, bugs and other. Then we learn about small animals that are living on land like mouse and cat and rabbit and goat and so many other animals like sheep. So these all are small animals. So we learn about birds, insects, small animals and big animals. So here you can see the big animals. So these all are big animals like elephant, lion, tiger, zebra, giraffe, bear. These all are big animals. We learn that they all are dangerous animals and they can harm us. So here you can see some water animals like whale. Then we learn that where animals live. That animals live on land, in water and on tree. So we divide animals in 3 different types. Some are living on land, some are living under water and some are living on tree. Then we learn that animals live on land. So which animals are living on land? That animals like lion, tiger, cat, dog, elephant, zebra, which are living in forest. All these animals are living on land and they can not live in ice or water. So when we see the picture of forest, you can see these all animals inside this picture. That tiger, cat, dog, all are need land to live. They cannot live on water. Then we learn about animals live in water. We also called them water animals. So which are water animals? Like fish, dolphin, starfish and many other animals are living underwater. They can breathe only in water. They cannot breathe on land. So they need water. When we take out these animals out of the water, they cannot live. Then we learn about animals live on tree. Here you can see the picture of tree. So which animals live on tree? Like monkey and squirrel are living on tree. They jump one tree to other tree, and some birds are also live on tree. We all know that birds are living on tree and they sing song on tree. So animals that live on tree are squirrel and monkey. When some animals are living on land also and in water also. So animals like crocodile, frog and tortoise are living on land as well as in water. So these birds like duck and swan live on water. So all these things we learn in lesson number 5. Then we learn that animals like penguin and bear can live in cold place like ice mountain, ice water and near ice. So they cannot live without coldness in atmosphere. Like penguin cannot live in place like forest. Why? Because they need coolness around them. So they live on ice. So these all things we learn in lesson number 5. That different kinds of animals, how we divide it. Then we learn about different places where animals live. So we continue this topic in lesson number 6. How? Because we learn about life of animals, that where they are living and what they are eat. So let's start our lesson number 6. That what we learn in lesson number 6, we learn about food of animals and shelter of animals. So we all know about food because we learn about food in lesson number 3 and 4. We learn that we get food from plants, and so many food we get from plant. Now let's see that what is food and what is shelter. But we learn about animal, that what animals food and what is shelter of animals. So let's see first that what is food and what is shelter. So before we start our lesson, we need to know that what is food and what is shelter. So as we know that we know about food, that food is the thing which we eat. So let's see first what is food. So food is that animal eat, like every animal is living thing. So like every living things need food to eat. And we learn in lesson number 1 that animals and birds are living things. So animals also need food to grow, right? So we learn about food that animal eat. Food means the thing which eat animals or living thing for growing and healthy body. So we learn about food in this lesson. But which food? The food which animals eat. So food that animals eat, like every living things need food to eat. Animals like living thing also need food, right? So we learn about food that animals eat. Then next thing is, what is shelter? Now we all know about food, but we don't know about shelter. So what is shelter? Shelter means a house where we all are living. So a place where living things can live in, we called it shelter. So it is not hard word any, because the meaning of shelter is house. So what is shelter? A place where we can living safely. So safely means the place which protect us from heat, rain, cold and wind. So this place we called it shelter. So now we all are living in house. So house protect us from heat, rain and cold, right? So our house is our shelter. So a place where we can live safely, or we can call it house. So what is shelter? Shelter is a place where we can living safely, or we called it house. So we live in house, but in this lesson we learn about shelter of animals. So here you can see the picture of one small house. We called it shelter or house. So now in your mind you can clearly understand that what is food and what is shelter. But we learn about shelter and food of animals. So first, all animals need food to live and grow, right? So they move one place to another place in search of food and shelter. Like we all are living in our house, right? But we eat food which cook in our home. So like that, animals also need food to grow and live, and they going one place to other place. When we see birds, they take leaf or other seeds from flower also, from on land also. So they are not eat food like us, like buy to vegetables and some fruits in market and take some brinjals and potatoes. No, they are not eating brinjal and potatoes. They are not going to buy things from market. So they are going one place to other place. Like birds are going one tree to other tree. Tiger is going for finding their food, right? So these animals are going one place to other place to finding food and shelter. So they not having house like us. They can live in shelter, but they have to find it. And then shelters are different from each other and from us also. They are living in different shelter. There are many different types of animals in this world. Like tiger is not living like birds, and birds are not living like elephant. So they live in different places and different types of food they are eating. So when we see the picture or cartoon of different kind of animals, we see that tiger is eating different kind of food, right? And birds are eating different kind of food. When you see the sheep and goat, they are eating different kind of food. So in this lesson we learn about these all topics. So first topic is food, that what food animals eat, right? So when we learn about food, that what we eat different kind of sauces, we eat fruits, we eat vegetables, but we cook this food and we eat, right? So first in our mind that what animals eat. So first we need to learn that different kind of animals, which food they are eating. So here you can see one rabbit, and what rabbit is eating? Yes, carrot, right? So first we learn about what animals eat, right? So here you can see two pictures. So can animals eat all these things? Can animals have kitchen? Or they cook food in oil, then add spices and make chapatis and make rice and eat, right or wrong? Wrong. They cannot eat food like we eat, right? Because they are not cooking the food, and they not eat rotis and rice and curries and pastas and cake and all these things. So what they all are eating? First see that what animals are eat. Now let's we think what they are eat. When we see birds, what they are eating? They eat bread. They eat bread. Yes or no? No. Right? Then they eat pizza. Yes or no? No. So what they are eating? So let's see what they are eating. Animal eat different kinds of food. Now as we learn that there are many types of animals in this world, right? So different kind of animals eat different kinds of food, right? So what they eat first? So here, which picture it is? What is this? Yes, small seeds. So some animals are eating seeds. So here you can see the different kind of seeds. So some is black, some is white, some is red, some is brown. So in this lesson we learn about different kind of seeds which animals eat. Then other food animals eat. Now you can see here. What is this? Green color? Grass. So we called it grass also. We called it plant also. So some animals eat grass or plant. In this lesson we learn about which animals are eating grass or plant. Then next is food which animals eat. What is this? We learn about this animal. Which animal it is? Yes, it is a meat of animals. So some animals eat flesh or meat of other animals. So flesh means the meat of other animals. They can kill the animal, then they eat the meat. So we called it flesh. So animals eat different kinds of food, right? So some eat plants, some eat seeds, and some eat meat. So all animals are not eat same things. As we learned that some animals eat seeds and some eat meat. So some animals eat milk also. They drink milk. So what kind of food animals eat? That some eat seeds, some eat plants, some eat worms. Worms means small insects, and some eat meat of other animals. We called it flesh. When some animals drink milk. So all these animals we learn in these lessons that what animals eat and how they are different from each other by their eating habit. So let's see first animal that eat seeds. So first topic of this lesson is animals that eat seeds. So when we see the animals, they all are eating different kind of seeds. So first we need to learn that which seeds animals eat. Not every seeds animals eat. So first we learn that which seeds animals are eating. So first is, here you can see the picture of seeds, right? So you can see here black seeds also and white seeds also, right? So these all seeds are animals eat, but we cannot identify right now that which seeds they are, right? So we cannot give them any seeds for eating. Some are harmful for their body. So let's see which seeds they are eating. Here you can see again the picture of seeds which animals eat. So let's see, first picture is the seeds which animal eat. Like small animals eat these seeds. Which are these? Buckwheat. We also learn about these seeds in lesson number 4 when we learn about seeds, cereal and pulses. So birds are also eat these seeds. Then second is milo seed. This is the seed which eat small animals. So like us, we cannot eat anything from plant. Like that, birds and animals are not eat anything from the land. So they eat healthy seeds. Then what is this? It is a corn, but it is a cracked corn. So we crack it, then we give it to animals. So these all seeds we give to animals for it. Then sunflower seeds, white and black. And millet, golden millet and white millet. I hope you all know about these all seeds, because we all feed the animals, right? So we all know about which food we are giving to the animals. So these are the seeds which animals eat: buckwheat, wheat, millet, sunflower seeds and many others. Some animals are also eating nuts also, they are eat rice also. So here you can see the picture of seeds which animals eat. Here you can see the picture of peanut also, right? Now let's see that animals eat seeds, right? So first we see the animals which eat seeds. So which animal it is? Yes, it is hen. So you can see here hen. Now what hen eat? Let's see. What is this? The circle? Yes, seeds. So hen eat seeds. Here you can see, where is the seed? In the hand of the lady there is a seed. So now you can understand that which animals eat seed. Then next is squirrel, right? So here you can see squirrel is eating. Now what squirrel eating? Let's see. Here is a picture of which seed? Yes, black sunflower seed. So squirrel is eating seeds. Then nuts. Squirrel are also eat nuts. Right, here you can see the picture of squirrel eating nuts, peanuts. Then some birds are also eat seeds. Not some, all birds are also eating seeds. So here is the picture of sparrow, and you can see the bowl of sparrow is full of seeds. So which bird it is? It is pigeon. On the floor you can see the seeds, right? So birds like sparrow, pigeon and peacock, crow, parrot, all are eating seeds. So here you can see the picture of peacock eating seeds. Then parrots. So we learn about different kinds of parrot, right? So here is one type of parrot and they all are eating seeds. And we all see that type of picture when we are going out of the house and some birds are eating. And we also feed them with the seeds. So parrots are also eating seeds. So many birds like crow and chickens, hens and many others are eating seeds. So these birds are also eating other things, but mostly these all are animals eating seeds. And remember, they are eating only healthy seeds. We are not giving any seed to them. So when we going to buy seeds for birds, they are mix of seeds. So you can see here the picture which birds or animals are eating. So sunflower seeds, white and black, peanuts, and some birds and animals eat wheat also and corn also and many other. They also eat chapatis, rice. So we can feed them with all type of food. So today we learn about different kinds of food which animals eat, and we also learn about animals that eat seed like hen, birds and squirrels, peacock, sparrow, all birds, crow. So I hope you all are understand that what we learned today and what kind of food animals eat. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.